In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Polkadot on Coinbase app. And if you're looking to start your crypto journey, we'll include links in the description below so you can easily check them out. To start, open the Coinbase app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see an option that says Buy and Sell at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Buy and Sell. A pop-up tab will then appear. From the options provided, tap on Buy. Next, on this screen, you have to select the asset you wish to buy. In this video, we are going to buy Polkadot, so we are going to search for it using the search bar. After that, in the field provided, you can enter the amount in dollars, and Coinbase will automatically calculate how much you will receive. Or you can tap on dot and select the quantity you would like to buy. Once the amount is entered, tap on Pay with and select the payment method you wish to choose. Then tap on Review Order. Next, review your purchase order. Then select whether you wish to invest weekly or earn 10% APY. Tap on the toggle switch beside the option you wish to choose. Lastly, tap on Agree and place order. That's how you buy Polkadot on Coinbase app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.